Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the GitHub app and signing in. This gives you access to repositories and permissions. Next, clone the repository immediately so you have the working copy locally. Use File, Clone, and paste the URL into the dialog. Make sure authentication is set. Enable SSH keys or use HTTPS credentials. Once done, perform a quick fetch to confirm connectivity and load branches. This step removes friction later, so validate access now before making changes. You will now create or switch to a feature branch so master stays stable. Use branch, new branch, name it descriptively. Then edit files in your editor. The GitHub app shows unstaged changes. Stage what belongs together, and use the app's diff viewer to confirm. Commit frequently with concise messages that explain why, not just what. Once committed locally, use push to upload your branch to GitHub. This workflow preserves history and makes code review straightforward. Finish by pushing your branch and opening a pull request so reviewers can review changes. The app links directly to create PRs. Respond to review comments by editing code, committing updates, and pushing. Make sure your branch stays up to date with the base branch by pulling and resolving conflicts. Once approved, merge using the chosen strategy, then pull the merged changes into your local main and delete the feature branch. If something breaks, run git status and git log locally to trace.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.